So Access is the other application that we'll be working with. It is a Microsoft product, so it does have the same look and feel as Excel does, but it works quite a bit differently, and it takes a little bit more planning and thought to be able to use Access. I will be giving you a database to work with for most, well, for all of what we're doing. You will get to create a table in that database, but we're going to learn how to work with that. Access is not necessarily bundled in all Microsoft Office bundles, so depending on what version of Office you have, you may or may not have Access on your home computer. However, it is found on all computers in the computer lab. As with the Excel unit, each individual assignment has its own learning outcomes associated with it. So we'll click here. Let's take a look here. At Access Unit 1, again, it'll have a blend space associated with it. You'll work through the blend space, and then you'll demonstrate the learning outcomes in an Access database. The database you'll be using will look something like this. You will work with tables. There's a table. You will create queries. And there's an example of a query. You will create, a little bit, some forms. There's an example of a form, and you will create some reports. And you will learn how to do all of that, as well as how to add a table to your database and format it and modify it and do all sorts of fun things. So Access can be a little finicky. It does not like typos, so pay very close attention when you are entering things into your database. And if you ever run into problems with your Access work, please just send me a message with your database attached telling me where you're having problems, and I will be happy to help you out. Hope you enjoy learning more about Microsoft Access.